Okay. It says we are live, and yeah, what I have done so far is I have just gone into the comment tracker, which is the green double bubble comment tracker, and for the sources, I keyed in just the hashtag
A
and
unique hashtag.
the unique hashtag, which is YTLIVENGAGE16SEP.
Mhm.
So which should be there on the YouTube event title as well. So I think it is there, isn't there?
Yes, I
Yes,
believe it is. Yeah.
yes, it is towards the end of the title. And I do see a lot of comments. Then after, yeah, I had created the YouTube live event, and then what I had done was took the YouTube view URL, pasted it into a Google Plus post, a public post, and shared it into public. Then grabbed that public share and shared it into community. I have a community I manage with Roland. I posted it into that, and then I think level and what was the process that you followed?
Well, but you also posted, you also shared it into my community.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So, and I did quite the opposite. I took the link, the view link that Vivek provided me, and I created a post within my community. And used only the hashtag, the unique hashtag, and actually asked people, anybody who wanted to add some comments there to help us out, and which I believe Roz Betts has done. Thank you, Roz. And so once I had that post inside my community, I shared the post out as a public share. So, and both of us have Comment Tracker open, and I'm able to see all of the things that all the comments that showed up, both in the public share that I did and within my community. I am not seeing any of the things that were added to the community that WeWEC posted. So I'm not seeing anything that WeWEC put in there.
Yeah. So since I started from, I did a public post first, and then shared the public post into the community. Whereas what you did was you shared the post directly into the community first.
Yeah.
Then reshared it to the public.
Yeah.
So what you did, Loveland, that seems to work. What I did, it's not pulling in any comments. So let me show the comments that I have in my comment tracker here. I'll show them one by one in order. So this is the one I have. I think this is just your.
It looks like my original posting.
Yeah, and this one is I posted in your.
In
I
the
put that
public
in
share. Yeah.
public share. Yes.
Yeah.
And did say that this is a reshare of what she did within the community. So that I deliberately gave that number there, 3. There is the other one, which is this one. The first share that Loveland did, I put a comment there. That also is appearing. That is, I gave it a number 2 there. Then, yeah, then there is a comment from Ross Betts. Her profile image is taking time to appear on screen. I don't know why. It is visible here on comment tracker screen on the right hand side, but it's not. Are you seeing the image, her profile image?
I'm seeing the comment on the main screen.
But no, not her profile image, which is a bit weird. I don't know why, but yeah. Okay.
It shows her name though.
Yeah. And then Heidi put a comment. I don't know where this is.
I know where it is because I went looking. It was added to the share that I did, the public share that I did. It's on that, yeah.
If I go by the color that I see on the comment tracker thing, this is blue. The other one, which is blue, is this one. Let me bring that up. This one, which is 3.
I don't think that we're seeing the same colors because
yeah, the colors that are shown will be different for you and me, but
yeah.
The colors do represent the streams that at my end, this is blue, same as this one.
Yeah.
So that means this comment was made in the reshare of share that you did into the community.
Yeah.
So that is that.
That's what I'm seeing verifies that.
Okay, now you can see Ross Bett's profile image. I don't know why it was. Was it because she's in Australia?
We don't know.
I don't know.
I think she may be out there watching because there was a plus sign on something that so she may be out there. So.
But I don't know. I showed the comment, same comment for you. Yeah, nearly a minute on the screen, and her profile image was not showing up. Now it is showing up. Anyway, okay. Then this one has a different color, which is a bit weird. Oh, this has the same color as Ross Betts, so that makes sense. Yes.
Yeah.
Because you are not just responding to that. I see that here on the comment tracker. I see that it's both these have a pink line above it. Corresponding pink line one is from me. It is this one. So these 2 comments from Ross and Loveland.
Those are on my original posting within my community.
Yeah. Okay. And there is this one. Really hoping this will work. Yes, it has worked so far.
This is incredibly interesting. I mean, who would, I mean, without doing this kind of an experimentation, how would anybody know
Yeah.
which way to
And,
go?
yeah. And more I wanted to show. Where is that? Yeah, this one. Again, it's in the same
Yeah,
stream. It has the same color.
yeah,
And I responded to that with this
yeah,
one.
yeah.
Okay. Now, oh, okay. Now I see something popping up here. It has a plus sign next to it. So there is another stream. Okay, let me click on that and see what happens. Maybe those are the things that did not show up earlier, might show up
No,
now.
this one that you've got on the screen right now, that is on my original post within my community.
Yeah, not that one. This one
Oh,
is what I meant. Okay.
oh,
And
so
now probably there is one more source being added. I didn't do anything specific, but okay. Maybe my sources are coming back. Maybe.
well,
Let us
the
see.
thing that I noticed when we first started here, when you put something in, it takes a little while for the system to react and bring things in. It's not instantaneous. It takes a minute.
Yeah. Oh, now it is actually tracking 6 sources for me.
Wow.
So yeah, that probably makes sense. 6 sources means 3 which you did and 3 which I did, probably. Okay.
See, I'm only getting 3 sources.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And under the shares, it says tracking 3 sources. Yeah.
But I'm not saying, because Andrew Hatchett had put a comment in the in
In your
my
community. Yeah.
community and in my shares and so on, but they are not still not appearing here. I don't know why not. Uh, Sources, is there anything reshared? Okay. Would you like to bring up the comments that you saw, Lovelan?
So here's one that just came in. And I'm not sure where it came from.
Yeah, that's the one. And for me, that showed up with a little plus sign next to the
Yeah.
I.
Yes.
I actually clicked on the plus sign, but
Same
nothing.
here. Yeah, I did that. And that's
nothing seems to have happened after that.
no. So that's what's in the top. This one is next. This is, I know, is your response that was on my original post.
Yeah.
As this would be, because it's the same. It was your response. The first one was your response to this one. Here's Roz Betts. This is comments that she posted on my original post. Here's Heidi, and I know that she put this comment in my public reshare. This one, I think, is still on my original share, I think. This is your number 2.
I wonder if it has anything to do with me being on a Google Apps for Work account. I don't know.
But I am too.
Yeah, but yours is a legacy account.
Oh.
Mine is,
Right.
I don't know. Because whenever I want to post anything onto any public, it pops up a warning. This may be visible outside.
Yes, I get those same kind of warnings.
Yeah, and but
so that this is the last one that I see. So let's go back up to the top and see whether. No, I was just looking to see whether anything else came in. So if I go back to shares, oh, it says now that it's tracking 4 sources.
4?
Yes, and a few minutes ago it only showed 3.
For me, it continues to show 6 sources, but I don't think.
Oh! Now I'm back into sources. And there's one that says this looks like it might be your YouTube one, because it shows YouTube live audience engagement experiment hashtag. I think that would be your original. I think that's the one out of your YouTube. And then there's the other 3 that we were talking about. So that must be, and that's that plus sign that I clicked on. Isn't that interesting? It took that long for it to come through.
Yeah, it seems to. I clicked on the. Okay, I went to the. On the comment tracker thing, I went to the shares thing.
Yeah.
Where it says tracking 6 sources. I clicked on the that icon which goes like that. 3 dots, half. I mean, broken. What do you call it? It's a share icon actually.
Yeah.
I clicked on that, and it said added 2 more sources.
Well, and I just went back into shares, and now it still says 4, but there's another piece there with a plus sign on it, so I'm going to click it and see what happens.
Okay.
Now it says I'm tracking 5 sources. Isn't this interesting?
There is quite a bit of lag. In terms of, and I have not seen. So far, I have not seen a single comment from the share that I did.
No, from within your community.
Yeah, not even the one I did.
The public one.
Public one, nothing.
No. Well, that's a really interesting observation we've just discovered. Oh my word. So if you post originally the first post from your community and then reshare that out into public. But I think the interesting thing is how long the YouTube one came in.
Okay, now just for the heck of it, I'm going to do the old method thing of copying the link.
Timeline? The timeline?
Yeah,
Yeah.
timeline thing.
Yeah,
We'll see
that would be a good idea.
So let me do that. I'm copying from my, okay, let me.
Your public post?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do the screen share. I'm picking up my public share here. Clicking. So this is my public, isn't it? Screen has gone a bit weird. Okay, there it is. It's my public one, first one. I copy that. Right click. Okay. It seems to have taken 8. Now I don't know which one is added, if it has added. The only possible, okay, now it is saying it is tracking 7 sources, but I'm not yet seeing any. Okay, there it is.
So are you seeing Andrew's
Okay, I'm seeing this one, which is on the first public G plus post I did about this.
Yeah. Okay.
That is showing up as a with the yellow. Is it yellow? Orange line. But nothing else. That's the only one from that whole stream so far. Okay, so I went back to the shares screen and clicked on that strange broken triangle.
Yeah.
And it says 1 source is added or something like that. But okay, let me see anything in the stream. Nothing new. Nothing new. Because as I understood it before, if you add a public, maybe it needs to go the other way around anyway. I'm clicking on all these circular arrows.
Right.
And doesn't seem to be doing anything. Nothing seems to be getting added. So there is only this comment.
Right.
From
were there any comments added to that original post for you?
No. Okay, let me add one more. Adding one live. Let us see when it will turn up here. But I thought it would bring comments from Andrew and so on, but it hasn't.
No.
Okay. Now, in that case, let me grab the timestamp thing from the, oh, okay. Finally, this one came. I added this one live
Okay.
into my,
Yeah. Your
that
original
one.
post.
Yeah, that one finally came. Okay. Now let's see. More sources.
Oh, I just went into shares and there's another thing here. So I'm going to plus that. And now it's saying that I'm tracking 6 sources.
Mhm. Okay, I'm grabbing.
Yeah, I'm seeing this one, this one that you just added. I'm
Okay,
seeing it.
okay.
Where you said I'm adding one live. It
Yeah.
just popped in.
Okay, I'm now copying the one from the one I shared into Init Mobile. Right,
Okay.
clicking the time line there, copy the address.
Are you in it mobile? You should go in there and copy the timeline from that.
Um, no, you just need to reach that um post somehow. Anyway, don't need to be within the community as such, but you will be in a way because you since I'm using Chrome, um, it retains the login information. You just okay. Couldn't find source. It is saying couldn't find source. I pasted that there. It's saying couldn't find source. Why not? I don't know. Okay, let me go and grab the one I did into your community. Sources. Might say the same thing for this as well. I don't know. Source already added, it says. But not really. I'm not seeing. Oh, my fault, my fault. Yes, it is. It is your. Yeah, it is your share. Where is my share? I shared it into your community as well, didn't I? Maybe I need to go into the community and then, as you said, probably.
Try it. See what happens.
Yeah. Okay. Here is what I'm seeing. I've gone into my community, and this is the post I'm talking about. It has 5 comments.
Yes.
From Andrew, from you, and so on. But I am not seeing the time.
Click on the little 3 buttons.
Yeah. It says only unpin from community, delete, edit post, disable comments, disable resharing, mute.
So there's no timestamp there.
Yeah, for the timestamp, I think I need to get this in its own screen. How do I do that? No, not that. It has been unpinned from the community. I wonder whether it is okay. I copied the link. Let us see. Couldn't find source.
No. Very interesting.
Couldn't find source. Okay, so that is that. Okay, let me go to your community and let me grab the one from these are yours. Where's the one I shared?
I think it's, are you in there? Like what you're seeing is different from what I'm seeing.
Yeah, because you are the owner of the community. You
Yeah,
would see
yeah.
slightly
Because
different.
I can see the one that was originally shared by you, and there is a timestamp there.
It's under what category?
It's just under questions and sharing.
That's where I am. But I'm not even seeing the post here.
That's interesting because I can see it. How bizarre. Oh, wait, now. What's this one?
No, this is the old one.
Oh.
Under all posts. I'm looking under all posts.
Well, there's two of them there from you.
Where?
Go up. So one on the left-hand side and one on the right-hand side, and both
these
of them,
from you.
Those are from me. Yeah, isn't that bizarre? Because I can see. I can see your post. No problem.
Yeah. Let me go to my own profile and see if. What about this one? This has only 2 comments. Yeah.
Oh no, sorry. The one I'm looking at it was from Wednesday.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, so looks like indeed they have gone missing. Let me go back to profile. Engagement experiment, that is this one. Copy that and see what this does. Might say already added. Already added, yes, it says already added. But where is the one? Where are the comments from Andrew?
Well, I'm looking on in my community right now, and there, if you go into owner watch now, owner only.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Are they there?
there's two postings there, and one of them has 5 comments, the other one has 3, but they're both, just a minute now.
But they are both seem to be your own.
Yeah. And there is a comment from you, which has got a 1 after it. And there's also a comment from Andrew and Ross on that one.
Yeah.
Isn't that weird? So there's one, and I mean, they both show the timestamp is 17 hours on both of them.
Mm-hmm. So I'm looking at my profile and I'm seeing only one public post. Oh, okay. I have this. Okay, let me share this here. I've gone into my settings.
Mm-hmm.
Gone into settings, and this is what I see. And here, where is that one? Yeah, show your Google Plus communities posts on your profile. This was like that.
Oh,
It was off.
Oh.
Let me turn it on, and now let me see what happens. Okay, now this is Init Mobile is showing up. Let me copy that. Anything happened?
Not yet. Let me go to shares. No, it's only still only showing 6.
For me, it is showing tracking 8 sources.
Aha.
And I clicked on that broken triangle, and one new tracking added, it said.
Oh, here's it. It's something that's just shown up. So if I click on that, now it's saying I'm tracking 7 sources. There's just a delay. That's the problem.
Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. So probably that was the reason. So what does it mean? Does it mean that if your configuration says that don't show your own posts into community, into your own profile, then you can't show the comments that come in
That's a good question. Yeah.
Anywhere at all. Okay. Anyway, as a matter of fact, okay. Yeah, looks like all the comments are here now.
I was just checking my settings to see whether stuff is, those things are selected, and they are. So that looks okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is the first one I did in my public one, which I've shown before as well. And this one was missing. No,
we had that one before.
Yeah, had that one. This one.
Right.
So yeah, this one I posted it into the Init Mobile community, and hashtag magic not quite didn't quite work in this case. I had to copy the timeline link, and even then it didn't show up. So okay, so that is that. What is the color? Oh, light green, pale green, whatever that is. And this is the comment I've been waiting to get into.
But you had to use the timeline. You had to use the time, the link that you got from the time, rather than the hashtag.
Yeah. And this one about the bolding and so on.
I'm Andrew's comments are coming in now. So that's that lag that's happening. Right.
And then I said this to Andrew.
Yeah, I'm seeing those as well.
Then this one is your response to bolding and so on.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like those were all the comments.
Right. So we know that comment tracker is working. We know that if you're going to well, at least if you're going to use a hashtag only, you got to post it first within the community and then share it as public.
And the other aspect, I wonder what your settings are with regard to what I just discovered. Are your postings into the communities showing up on your own profile?
Yes. I think so. Let me see. I looked at yes, they are. Yeah, I'm actually seeing 3 postings. Now maybe this is the one. This looks like it's your original one. That came up because that's where Roz says, I wonder where these comments end up. Yeah. So there's 3 postings of this event in there. One has 3 comments, one has 5, and the other has 2. So So I think we are also,
it says, for me, it says 8 sources, tracking 8 sources.
shares. And mine says 7.
Okay.
But yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here now. Pretty well everything that we've seen is in here. I think.
Yeah.
I don't know what the 8th one would be. Yeah. Interesting.
So yeah,
So,
I think
but obviously, you can still use the link out of the timestamp, but it looks like you can also use a unique hashtag.
And in a way, unique hashtag gave us more results more easily.
Yeah,
This
absolutely.
timestamp thing was quite laborious. You had to go
Yeah,
to each of them,
yeah,
copy each of them, add, and
yeah.
the reason why my postings did not appear, probably that still is a mystery. Is it because I posted it public first, or is it because my
Yeah,
configuration setting
yeah,
was
yeah. There's no way of
hidden?
knowing until we try it again sometime.
We may well have to, in the sense, these things are never, they never stand still. It's that dynamic equilibrium I was talking about.
Yes. Yeah.
It's like riding a bicycle. You are in equilibrium, in balance, but you have to keep moving. Only then you are in balance. The moment you stop, you have to put your foot
All over.
down,
Yeah.
or else you'll fall.
So do you want to stop the recording and let me ask you the question, or do you want to leave
Yeah.
it up?
Okay. Yeah,
It doesn't matter to me. But it's on a totally different topic, so.
Yeah, let me stop the broadcasting, and yeah, so that this becomes,
Yeah,
what we
on
have
one
recorded so
topic.
far becomes a useful resource just for that one specific thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Whoever is watching, thanks for watching, and hope this has been useful.
And we're sorry we're ending up with a big question.
Yeah, and lots of yeah, as I said, haven't really solved major problems as such, because it may be the configuration setting, my configuration setting was wrong, maybe. But anyway, thanks
But
for
we do
watching.
know that you can use a hashtag, a unique hashtag, and it will give you what you need.
Yeah. Okay.